Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kynhun Myntri jangka sarkar jilla Mynjur ya ke ordinance na bentaban Kyntiew ya ke corpus fund jangka Contigengy fund jangka jilla Meghalaya sekaci hajar san Klur. Hal pentip ya ke ni adalah ke jingalang Kynhun Myntri umindirang ba ke jilla konrad ke sangma ulo om ke jing Mynjur ya ke ordinance ban Kyntiew ya ke song pisah ke basi hajar san Klur namun pendap iki wepat ke jing duna kat kum kendon jangka budgetary system jangka sarkar.
Yeah, so the corpus has been increased to 1,000 crores to meet additional demand. Just to clarify with everybody, what contingency basically fund means is a provision within the budgetary system of the government, where once the necessary budget which has been passed by the assembly is exhausted for a particular department, it has to be then moved through a supplementary demand in order to spend more if required. And while the supplementary demands are to be passed by the assembly in the session, the contingency fund allows that provision to be used. Now, this does not mean that we have contingency fund that comes in and we increase the amount in the terms of the cash flow. The cash and the money is already available for expenditure, but because provisions are not there within the budgetary provisions, since the budget was passed by the assembly, we need to move to the contingency. And even now, as I said, since we have cash available for certain expenditures, the provisions have to be created, and hence the contingency limit has to be increased for us to be able to go ahead with those expenditures, and hence this particular provision was incorporated, and an ordinance has been brought in to increase the contingency fund provision and raised it to 1,005 crores.
Kapor kaladay bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Kyntiew Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ka ei ka thong ka bakidon ki ei kiman ki bakongsan ki bakibu hakman kita ki de ki jingkeli ki bafidon kam man yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi ha ka arpwoi tarik urumpang arjar arpsan baik ya ka program markman pat ki kertong